Never miss a moment. Swarovski CL Pocket 10 by 25 delivers true full-size optical excellence in your pocket. Have you ever stood on a ridge at sunrise, heart racing because a magnificent stag just stepped into view, and your binoculars are back in the truck because they're too big to carry every day? I have been there more times than I care to admit. That crushing moment when the magic happens and I'm stuck squinting. When was the last time that happened to you? That frustration just keeps stacking up. Every hike, every trip, every concert, I keep choosing between real views and convenience. And convenience usually wins. My eyes ache from straining, my memories stay fuzzy, and slowly the world feels smaller. But what if I never had to leave true optical quality behind again? A couple years back, I was guiding in Alaska when my client pulled something ridiculous out of his parka pocket. Tiny binoculars that looked like a toy. I laughed until I looked through them. Instant jaw drop. These were the Swarovski 10 by 25 CL Pocket Binoculars, the same legendary Swarovski Vision optical technology glass as their full-size alpha models, folded into something smaller than my phone. 10 by magnification with edge-to-edge sharpness that makes distant animals look three-dimensional. Aluminum housing submersible to 4 meters, nitrogen-filled, fog-proof from -13 degrees Fahrenheit to +131 degrees Fahrenheit. 17 millimeters of eye relief and twist-up eye cups that actually work perfectly with glasses. A one-handed focus wheel so fast I spotted and identified a gyrfalcon diving on ptarmigan before anyone else even got their big glass up. In that moment, these stopped being compact binoculars and became my permanent superpower. Always there, never in the way, yet delivering views that embarrass most full-size optics. 4 years later, mine have been dropped off cliffs, frozen in blizzards, submerged in rivers, and left in hot cars for weeks. They still perform like day one. Zero fog, zero drift, zero regrets. My friend Mark, who photographs brown bears for a living in Katmai, told me last month he has officially retired his 10 by 42 binoculars for scouting because these 10 by 25s are just as sharp and weigh a third as much. Another friend, Sarah, a complete beginner birder, was terrified of the price until she looked through mine on a whale watching trip. She bought the exact pair the next day and texted me 2 weeks ago, "I saw my first harlequin duck clearly enough to cry." Yes, they cost more than mid-range glass, but when I realized I would never need to replace them and I was no longer choosing between carrying binoculars or living my life, the math became laughably obvious. These are not binoculars I own. They're the upgrade my eyes have been begging for. Which moment am I tired of missing? If I am ready to stop compromising and start seeing the world the way it is meant to be seen, vibrant, sharp, effortless, then I treat this as the single best investment I will ever make in my outdoor life. Thousands of photographers, guides, travelers, and serious enthusiasts have already made the switch and will never go back. I just tap the link in the description, grab the Swarovski 10 by 25 CL Pocket with the Wild Nature bag, and thank myself later. Stick around to the end. I saved the wildest real-world story these little beasts ever gave me. You are going to love this.